Hi there, welcome to Ann Evolving. Today I'm following up with you on the progress I've seen with the Nira at-home laser. I started using this at the end of March, beginning of April maybe. I'll put a link to that video right here. I had seen Kimberly at Pretty Over 50 test and review this device, and I had seen a lot of improvement in her lines and wrinkles around the face. And I wanted to give this a try. As a 59-year-old woman, I do have a lot of thin skin, wrinkly skin, and around my mouth here, which they call the 11s. I think this is what they call marionette lines, and then just under my eyes and around this area as well. And so I wanted to give this device a try, and I did for 45 days, the first round, and I really saw incredible results. I could only use it on like a setting 1 around the eyes and a 2 or 3 around the mouth. But here is what I have found in the months that I have continued to use this. I have traveled back and forth a couple of times, and I have not traveled with the laser. And I will say that when I don't use it, I notice a very quick reversal. So if I'm not using it on my eyes, they do seem to start looking wrinkly. This definitely seems to start looking a lot more pronounced. I've been home and I've been using this consistently again for 45 days. So I have the first 45 days and I have the second 45 days, and they are not contiguous. Is that the right word? They're not all in a row, but I have used it and I am seeing a few things that I think are worth sharing. Number one, when I began using this, like I said, I could only use it on a 1 around the eyes and here around the lips, and then maybe around here. And then I was able to use it like as a 2 here. Now, and I think this is how I know it's working. Now I can put this on a 4 around these areas here and here and here, and on the very outside of the eye. And then over my wrinkles here, I can do a 3. And so what that is telling me is, I think that the laser is working. I just powered it up. I think the laser is working to rebuild that collagen, and my skin is feeling thicker. And so now, instead of it being so thin in these areas where I could barely do it on a 1, I can now go up to a 3 or a 4. Under my eyes, I can do a 2 or a 3. It depends on if I've missed it a day or 2. If I do every day, I can do a 3. But if I skip a day or 2 just because I forget, then I go back down. So I don't know if that's just me being super sensitive, or if it truly is because it's starting to build up that collagen and my skin is plumper, and so it's not so thin and I'm not feeling it as intensely. I do know that around here and here, I'm trying to do this reversed on a camera, that I can certainly tolerate a 4. And so I just feel so good about that. I love this device. And I know there are other devices that people use, but I've just not gotten to that step of committing to those devices. The other area, let me see if I can come in here a little bit. Right here by this little area, when I do it at night on this area, the little lines that are coming down are getting a little smaller. The new area that I'm doing it on is from here underneath this part and then coming up around here. So I'm doing this part now to try and address this, looks like a wrinkle that comes down like this. Anyway, that's the new area I'm working on. So I will show you that result as I hopefully see results using this product. But if you haven't tried the Nira Nu Skin laser at-home device, I recommend it. This takes me 2, 3, 5 minutes, and I still forget it. It is something that I am seeing really good results, and I am going to continue using it. I just think it's so great, and I wanted to share it with you, because if you're like me, anything that's at home, that's affordable, that's easy to do, and mostly that I see results, I am in. I'm in 100%. So I hope you give it a try. If you do, let me know what you think. And if you're able to increase it like I have, and I'm really excited about that because I know otherwise it feels like someone's taken a rubber band and just pinging your skin with it. And it's a little uncomfortable, but if you can get through it, if you can get on that level 1 and just do your areas and then do the level 2, that stingy feeling, the more you use it and the more you build up collagen, even though you're only using it once a day, that will start to pay off, I think, because it did for me. So anyway, I recommend it. Thanks for watching. I hope this was a good follow-up for you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.